For far too long, the label high maintenance has been used as a subtle criticism, especially aimed at women who dare to ask for more. More respect, more care, more from life itself. It's a phrase that's often whispered, meant to shame those who refuse to settle for less than they deserve. But what if we decide to reclaim this term? What if being high maintenance wasn't about extravagance or material things, but about holding high standards for yourself? Imagine if it meant investing in your own growth, happiness, and well-being, rather than spending lavishly or seeking validation from others. This is about self-respect, choosing yourself every single day in small, powerful ways that add up over time. It's about honoring your needs, your boundaries, and your dreams, no matter how big or small they may seem. The new high-maintenance woman is someone who invests in herself through consistent, loving actions. She knows that her well-being is her own responsibility, and that self-care is not selfish. It's essential for her peace, confidence, and growth. This lifestyle is built on discipline, not dollars. It's about creating a life that feels as good on the inside as it looks on the outside, and making choices that support your highest self day after day. These small, intentional acts of self-care, whether it's a morning routine, a moment of stillness, or a nourishing meal, build an unshakable foundation of self-respect and inner strength. Being high maintenance is not a flaw. It's a celebration of your value. It's a promise to yourself to never settle for less than you truly deserve, and to always honor your worth. This is not entitlement. It's empowerment. Your beautiful, fulfilling life starts with you, when you choose to respect, nurture, and believe in yourself every single day. Hello, ladies. Welcome back to my channel. Glad you're here. Today we're exploring the secret to high-maintenance lifestyle on any budget. Let's dive in. Elegance isn't about luxury. It's about daily rituals that make you feel polished. Well-groomed means self-respect, achievable on any budget. Master the basics: clean skin, neat nails, healthy hair. Consistency matters more than expensive products. A simple skincare routine, cleanser, moisturizer, sunscreen, is enough. For hair and nails, keep them clean and simply styled. A good haircut and clear polish go a long way. A signature scent doesn't have to be designer. Find something affordable that makes you feel wonderful. These habits, practiced daily, become second nature. They're not chores, but rituals of self-care. Elegance is in the details, not the price tag. Your daily grooming anchors you in intention. You show the world and yourself that you value who you are. That's true elegance. An elegant wardrobe isn't about labels or quantity. It's a curated collection of pieces you love and that fit you perfectly. The high-maintenance woman invests in timeless, versatile pieces, not fleeting trends. Start by understanding your style. What silhouettes, colors, and fabrics make you feel your best? Edit your closet ruthlessly. Keep only what serves you. Shop for quality over quantity, using thrift stores and sales to find well-made classics. Learn basic tailoring to ensure a perfect fit. Elevate outfits with clean, pressed clothes and thoughtful accessories. A simple steamer and a few classic accessories can transform your look. Your style is your daily introduction to the world. Curate it with intention and care. Let your wardrobe reflect your high standards. True luxury is built on daily routines, not grand gestures. It's the quiet, intentional moments that create a life of ease and abundance, not just the rare, extravagant experiences. Your habits are the foundation of your reality. Every action you repeat shapes the world you live in, influencing your mindset, your energy, and your sense of self-worth. A powerful morning routine, stretching, journaling, or savoring a quiet cup of coffee, sets the tone for your day. These rituals ground you, helping you start with intention and clarity, no matter what the day brings. Throughout the day, take short breaks, nourish your body, and keep your environment tidy. These mindful pauses help you reset, stay energized, and maintain focus on what truly matters. A clutter-free space leads to a clear mind. When your surroundings are calm and organized, your thoughts become more peaceful and productive. These small acts are not chores, but self-respect in action. Each gentle gesture is a reminder that you are worthy of care and attention. Your evening routine matters too. Disconnect from screens, unwind with calming activities, and prepare for restful sleep. Creating a soothing nighttime ritual helps your body and mind recover, so you can wake up refreshed. Consistency in these habits improves your health, mood, and appearance. Over time, these routines build confidence and a radiant sense of well-being that others notice. Routines are structures of support, not restriction. They give you freedom by removing decision fatigue and making space for what you love. They free your mind for creativity and joy. When your life is organized, you have more energy to explore your passions and connect with others. Every small, intentional habit is a vote for your well-being. Each choice, no matter how minor, adds up to a life that feels luxurious and fulfilling. This is the ultimate act of self-care. Prioritizing yourself daily is how you build a life that feels truly high value. Your daily habits shape your high-maintenance life. With every mindful routine, you're crafting a reality that reflects your highest standards and deepest desires. Elegance extends to how you communicate. Speak with clarity, kindness, and respect for others and yourself. Avoid gossip and negativity. Choose uplifting, meaningful conversations. Set strong boundaries to protect your peace. No is a complete sentence. Decline requests that drain your energy without guilt. Your time and energy are precious. Allocate them wisely. Boundaries are not selfish. They're self-preservation. Practice saying no to small things to build confidence. You're not responsible for others' reactions to your boundaries. True friends will respect your limits. Communication and boundaries honor the promises you make to yourself. Each time you enforce a boundary, you reinforce your self-worth. This is the language of self-respect. A high-maintenance woman is the empress of her finances. Financial freedom is about intentional management, not income. Treat your money with care and respect. Create a budget to know what's coming in and going out. A budget is a plan for freedom, not restriction. Track your spending, then make conscious decisions to align with your goals. Saving is non-negotiable self-care. Pay yourself first. Find joy in affordable luxuries. Home-brewed coffee, nature walks, library books. Get creative with entertainment and gatherings. Detach happiness from spending. Build a rich life through wisdom and discipline. Financial self-respect is the ultimate empowerment. Your elegant life is built, not bought. The most profound element of a high-maintenance life is presence. Your energy enters a room before you do. Calm, confident, self-possessed. Presence is the result of all your habits and self-respect. Be fully in the moment. Listen deeply. Make eye contact. Put your phone away. Mindfulness grounds you and draws others to your calm energy. Carry yourself with dignity. Stand tall. Walk with purpose. Sit with grace. Your posture reflects your self-respect. Practice this daily, even when alone. Your presence is the sum of your self-care and values. It's the quiet confidence of living in alignment with yourself. This is the true meaning of being high maintenance. It's a lifelong commitment to your well-being. Which small, intentional habit will you start today? Thanks for joining me. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment. Until next time, be the best version of yourself.